Yes. Good morning to all. Good morning, David. Good morning, Agatha. Why everyone didn't join?
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, guys. So everyone is joining. Till then, uh, we'll do some questions, some sums. Okay. So we were doing what? Quadratic equation, and in quadratic equation, we find it out the value of m if discriminant is equals to 0 if it is given like that. Now today we'll start word problems. Just give me a second. So we did chapter number 6. Okay. So now we'll start with the word problem. Where is the word problem? Okay, we'll do this. Okay, here's the question. The sum of the two consecutive odd natural is 74. Find the number. Now guys, how to solve these questions? How to solve these types of question in which it is given the sum of the squares of two consecutive odd natural number is 74. Now first of all, we'll understand what is the meaning of consecutive. First of all, we will understand what is the meaning of consecutive. So consecutive means one after one. What is the meaning of consecutive? One after one. Basically, if I will say a number 10, what is a consecutive number of 10? You can unmute and say
11.
yes. If I will say 10 is an even number, If I will say next consecutive even number, it will be
11, sir.
no. Uh, 11 is a consecutive number. But if I will say next consecutive even number, means after 10, which even number will come?
12.
12. So it will be 12. Are you with me? Consecutive means one after one. Are you with me? One after one. Okay, simple as that. Now, basically what is given? The sum of the, we'll read this question. The sum of the two consecutive odd natural number is. So first of all, we don't know the natural number. What is a natural number? So how we will do this? So we'll write let the natural odd number be x. Are you with me, guys? Say yes or no. Hmm? Okay. So next odd number will be odd number will become what? Like for example, everyone please pay attention. Okay. Like 13 is the number. Okay. 13 is the number that we considered as a x. So next number will be 15 as an odd number. Did you understand me, Recklin David? No. If 13 is the number, then the next odd number will be 15. No. So 13 is the x. So 15 can be written as in terms of x. What? What you will write 15 in terms of x? You can unmute your mic and say.
X plus 2.
Yes. X plus 2. Why x plus 2? Because in x, which is 13, just for now, we are taking an example. In x, when you will add plus 2, then you will get the next consecutive number. Got it? Say yes or no. The next odd number, or we can say consecutive odd number, be x plus 2. Did you understand, Miracle, David, Abraham, how I solve this? Consecutive means after the after number. Okay. Now it is written the sum of square of two consecutive odd natural number. Means the sum as well as square. So first we have to do sum. So this is the sum and square also is equals to 74. Did you understand, Agatha? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how you have to solve this. Now you have to open this bracket. So it will become x square plus, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to 74. So it will become 2x square plus 4 plus 4x minus 74 is equals to 0. So it will become 2x square minus 70 plus 4x is equals to 0. I got this quadratic equation. Now you have to use quadratic formula to find the value of x. Did you understand, guys? No.
So for the quadratic equation, should it be in the standard form x square plus bx plus c?
I mean, I got here c in the middle, no? Here I got c in the middle, no? That is why, I mean, it's not wrong. It's not wrong. But you guys have, when you are writing it like this also, so you have to be aware what is a, b, and c. Means a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is basically the constant number. So in this, you have to be aware for that. No matter, you can write anything, like you can put c in the front also, no problem in that. But you should aware for that, that what is a, b, and c. Got it? No. Now quickly solve this and give me the answer.
So with which formula we have to solve this?
Quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? Minus b
B.
minus b square.
Oh yeah.
That one. The two formulas which you solve. Did you understand, David? Ibrahim, are you there? Did you understand, beta?
Yes, I
Can
think
you?
so.
Yeah, very good. If you didn't understand, please ask me, okay?
So how do you get
Yes.
4x?
Huh?
How did you get 4x?
Is this in the form of a plus b whole square?
Okay, got
If you will open it, what will become? A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b.
Yeah.
2 to the 4 into a, which is x. You didn't get it?
Got it.
Everyone got the answer? Yes, Agatha, please.
Sir, so
Yes.
even if you do it 2x square plus 4x minus 70, you'll get the same answer, right?
2x square.
Plus 4x minus 70.
If you will write like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. What's the answer, Jashon? You got the answer, beta?
I took it as x minus 2 the whole square.
X minus means
Yeah,
what equation you got?
X minus 2. So the final answer I got was x is 7 and 5.
7 and 5. Yes. Means you will get two values. Is it? What are the two values you got?
No, sir. I got x is minus 5 and 7. So the final answer for the numbers are 7 and 5 that I took.
You got x as minus 5 and 7. Check the signs. Signs are different. Check the signs. See. Okay. If so, you use quadratic formula, na? So minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Second one is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. So minus of minus 70 minus root of what is b square? 4 square minus 4 into a into c, which is minus 70 upon 2 into 2. Okay. And the another one will be minus of minus 70. Yes.
Minus b would be minus 4, right, sir?
Yo. See, I did mistake. But b will be 4, not minus 4. Plus 4. Okay. So minus 4. 4 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 70 upon 2 to the 4. Okay. So it will become minus 4 minus. This will become 16 minus 4 to the 8. 8 7 the 560. So plus 560 upon 4. Another one will be minus 4 plus root 560 plus 60 upon 4. To the minus 4 minus root of 564. No, 576. What I'm doing? 576 upon 4. And the another one will be minus 4 plus root 576 upon 4. So we minus 4 minus 24 upon 4. And the another one is minus 4 plus 24 upon 4. So I will solve this. I will get minus 28 upon 4. And this will be 20 upon 4. If I will solve it, I will get answer as minus 7 here. And here it is 5. So obviously, see, it is given. Now everyone please pay attention. What is in the question? The question was that it's consecutive odd natural number. Natural number it is mentioned. So minus 7 is not a natural number. Minus 7 is not a natural number. What is a natural number? 5 is the natural number, na? So you have to write this statement. Minus 7 is not a natural number. So the number is 5 and next number will be, okay, sorry, and next number will be 7. Like that you have to mention it. Did you understand, guys? Say yes or no. Shall I give same type of question? Abraham, are you there? Can you hear me? Try to solve this question with proper statement and all. Yes, you got the answer or the equation. You're able to do this or not, David? Are you able to do this, or you want my help?
So I can't write.
You didn't
So
try.
I'm in the car. No, no, no. I'm in the car. I can't write right now.
Okay, 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 okay. Abraham, what about you? Miraculin, are you able to do this? No. You want my help?
Yes. Uh, the second question, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can try it, sir.
Quickly try, beta. Very good.
Sir, I couldn't understand the first questions. Mm, the first part.
The first part, the consecutive part.
Yeah, like how can we predict that the correct number, like 13, 15? Mm.
No, no. This is, I took an example. This is an example. I didn't take any
Okay.
number. It's an
Okay.
example that I am
Okay.
taking that if, for example, 13 is the number and we are taking it as a x,
Yeah.
the next consecutive number will be 15. So in terms of x, it will be x plus 2, na?
Okay.
Because we are adding in plus to that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
whenever the type of,
Okay.
for example, if next question is that's the sum of the square of consecutive number will be dash and dash. So what will be the next consecutive number? For example, if x is the number, then another consecutive number will be, here it is x plus 2 because they are asking for the odd number. Okay, in the question which I gave, in this also, it will be x plus 2 because they are asking for the even number. Okay, but normal consecutive number, it will be x plus 1. You got this? No.
Got it, sir.
Got it? Okay. So if one number is x, then another number be x plus 2 because even number they're asking. Okay. So sum of the squares of the is 164. Now same you have to do this x squared plus x squared plus 4 plus 4x is equals to 164. I will bring to the left side. 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 164 is equals to 0. So 2x square plus 4x minus 160 is equals to 0. I got this equation. Abraham, did you understand?
No, sir.
Yes, ask me, beta.
So can
Somebody
you
saying something.
answer, please?
Say loudly.
So I never understood. So can you explain it again, sir, please?
Yeah. So basically, what the question is saying, the sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural number. Two consecutive even natural number. Now, what is the meaning of consecutive, first of all? Consecutive means one after one. Okay? Consecutive means one after one. So, if 12 is the number, so what is the consecutive number of that?
14.
Say loudly.
14, sir, even.
14. Yeah. So, if 12 will consider as a x, so how will you write 14 in terms of x?
X plus 2.
Very good. So 40. So this is x and this is x plus 2, which is the next consecutive even number. And now it is given the sum of the square. Means sum means add, and individual square is 164. Got it? No. Got it? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
Abraham.
I got it.
Okay. Now we open the bracket, means a plus b whole square. No, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and then we'll simply solve this to get this quadratic equation. We got the quadratic equation. Now we have to use the quadratic formula, that minus b square minus 4ac wala. Got this? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll do one more question now.
So what's the answer of the previous one?
What do you got?
I'm getting -4 minus root 1280 by 4 and -4 plus 1000. Wait. Some mistake I did.
Not some full mistake is given. You have to check it again. Okay. We'll do now this question. Who will read this? Okay, Abraham, can you read this?
So it's a bit blurry for me.
Say loudly. Can't hear you.
I can read it now. The sum of two natural numbers is 12. The sum of the reciprocals is 4 upon 9. Find the numbers.
Find the numbers. Now, in this case, like we have two numbers, two natural numbers are given. So we'll take it as like this. Let the one number be x and the another number be y. Now, what will you make this equation? How will you make this equation, Abraham? The sum of two natural number in which one is x and another is y. What is the equation for that? Tell me.
So I could make that the sum of two natural numbers is 12. X plus y is equal to 12.
Very good. So it will be x plus y is equals to 12. And the second one, will you try?
X upon y is equal to 4 upon 9.
Is it because the sum of their reciprocal it is same? Means reciprocal of x and reciprocal of y is equals to 4 point.
Can you explain
Yeah.
reciprocals again? I think I forgot.
Sorry, say it again loudly.
I think I forgot what are reciprocals. Can you explain?
Reciprocal means the numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Like if I will write 2 upon 9, the reciprocal of this will be 9 upon 2.
Okay,
So what will be the equation for that? Any idea?
so no, sir, I'm not able to think of an equation.
Oh. Okay. Agatha, you want to give it a try?
That is the previous question's answer 9 and 11.
Previous one, no, not 9 and 11. Because it's not an even number. They're asking for the even number.
Yeah.
So you did some mistake. Okay, now tell me the equation for this.
First one, maybe there will be x plus y equals 12.
That is correct. Second one.
Y by, wait.
Sum of their reciprocal. Reciprocal means ulta, means upside down.
So y plus x is, no, not y plus x.
Okay, what is the reciprocal of x?
Oh, 1 by x.
Yes. So it will be 1
1
by
by
x plus,
1 by y equals 4 by 9.
yes. Everyone got this? This is the reciprocal sum. Did you got it? Miraculin, Abraham. Now how will you solve this? From the first equation, the value of x will be 12 minus y. Say yes or no. How? This plus y will go that side, become minus y. Now I have to substitute the value of x into this, such that it will become 1 upon 12 minus y plus 1 upon y is equals to 4 upon 9. Did you understand, guys, what I did here? Abraham, David, Miraculin, please ask me if you have a doubt. No doubt? Okay. Now, here we have to make the denominator same. What we have to do? We have to make the denominator same. What we will do? This y will multiply with both numerator and denominator, and this 12 minus y will also multiply with both numerator and denominator. I will repeat it again. This y will multiply with both numerator and denominator, and this 12 minus y will also multiply with both numerator and denominator. Okay, so it's gonna be called as cross multiplication method, in which 1 will multiply by y and 12 minus y will multiply by y, plus 1 will multiply by 12 minus y and 12 minus y will multiply by y. Are you with me? Did you understand how I make the denominator same? Abraham, Miraculin, please ask me, beta. Abraham, ask me, beta. I'm waiting for you. Your response.
So I think I understood this one.
You understood this concept? Shall I repeat it again for you?
No need, sir. I think I understood.
No need, pakka? Okay. So now the denominator will be same. So it will become y plus 12 minus y upon 12 minus y multiplied by y, because the denominator is already same, is equals to 4 by 9. I make the denominator same. Now this plus y, this minus y will cut. So it will become 12 upon 12y minus y square. What I did, I multiplied this with each term, is equals to 4 by 9. Did you understand, guys? Now this 9 is divided, it will go and it will multiply. This will go and it will multiply. So it's going to be look like this. 12 into 9 is equals to 4 into 12y minus y square. So it will become 108 is equals to 48y minus y square. I will bring everything to the left side. It will become y square minus 48y plus 108 is equals to 0. I got the answer. Ask me who didn't understand. Abraham, you didn't understand anything? Now I got the quadratic equation. You guys have to solve it with the quadratic formula. Will you be able to solve that? Agatha, Justron, David, Miraculin. Miraculin, you got it?
Yes, sir.
पक्का? नहीं आया तो पूछो बेटा वापस.
Um, yeah, in the reciprocal parts.
Which part, beta? This part?
Yeah,
So you didn't understand how this equation came.
yeah.
So basically the question is saying there, if the sum of their reciprocal means, what is the reciprocal of x?
Why?
No, x reciprocal. X means it is written x upon 1. Reciprocal
Yeah.
means ulta. The numerator will become
Yeah.
denominator, denominator will become numerator. So it will become 1 upon x.
One. Yeah.
In the same way, y reciprocal will be
Um,
if y is written, then it will become y upon 1. The reciprocal of that will
yeah,
be
1/y.
yes. So I wrote here 1 upon y here is equals to 4 by 9. Then I just substitute the value of x, which is 12 minus y here. Okay, and then I make the denominator same, and I got the quadratic equation. Got it? No.
Okay, got it. Got it, sir.
Oh. Okay, this is your homework. You guys have to solve this equation at home.
Sir,
Yeah.
wouldn't it be 48y minus 4y square?
Where? Okay, this is the homework. Okay, this is the homework for today. Only 3 questions is enough. Okay, so we'll end this maths class. Till then, bye, Jashwan. So we'll start our science class.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
So will the answer for this question be 48 minus root 2576 by 8?
It's a book question. You can check from the book. It won't be too much. You solve this, and I mean the root which you got. You have to solve that part also. The answer is nearly about 5 and 10. It is written. No, no, no. Sorry, 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 sorry. No, no. Sorry, sorry. The answer is 3 and 9. 3 and 9 is the answer. Okay, guys. Come back in 1 minute quickly. Okay, guys, come back. Quickly come back. Okay, so today is the doubt class. So please go ahead for the doubt.
Yes, I have some doubts.
Please.
Um, the Bohr's model of atom and Rutherford's model of atom.
Bohr's model of atom. Okay. So
And
you didn't understand? Say it again.
yeah, a Bohr's model of atom and Rutherford's model of atom.
Okay, okay. Just give me a second. Chapter number 5.
The answers are given on the back side, but I want to understand it. So
Mm-hmm. Okay, this is the Bohr Rutherford. So first we'll check out the Rutherford model of atom. So Rutherford, basically what Rutherford did, Rutherford took a gold foil. Can you see this gold foil? This is a
yeah,
gold foil in the middle. So what he did, he took a positive charged particle. Okay,
okay,
he took positive charged particle and he bombarded on the gold foil. When he
okay,
bombarded on the gold foil, so he saw some result for that. Okay, the result was that many of the rays went straight. There is no problem in that.
okay,
Some of the rays get deflected with smaller and larger angle, and one out of 12,000, one ray get back to the same path.
okay,
Okay, so with this experiment, he concluded some points. The point is, when many of the rays which go straight, he find it out that there the atom, most of the area of the atom is empty.
okay,
Okay, why empty? Because the rays are going straight. There is no deflection in that.
okay,
Okay,
sir.
and then some of the rays which are getting deflected, he find it out that at the middle of the atom there is some mass is there which is deflecting the rays with some angles. So you can
Okay,
see the middle of the atom has some mass in that he called is as nucleus, and he conclude that the nucleus has the mass of an atom, means all the mass of the atom or the most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus because it is only deviating it with some angles.
okay,
Got
sir.
it?
Got it.
No.
Got it, sir.
Okay. And then the third, which like one out of 12,000, the ray which came back, he concluded that the nucleus has protons in it. Why? Because I told you this the alpha particle which he used, it is positively charged particle. Positively
Yeah.
charged particle. And the positively charged particle when which he bombarded in the nucleus, it come back, means the nucleus should also be positive because positive and positive will repel, no? If it is
Yeah.
negative, then it should go into the nucleus, but it is not going like that. It when it hit the nucleus with perfect angle, it come back to the same path. So it means that there is positive chances, like charges chances are there, that is why it is coming back. So these three conclusions which he made, but he didn't able to explain where are the electrons. He concluded that in the center of the atom called as nucleus has the protons in it, positively charged protons in it. But he is not able to conclude where is the electrons. So he gave the random guesses that electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. But this theory get failed because there is a one statement, but it's called as de Broglie statement, that if some particle will move, it will radiate energy. If a particle is in motion, it will radiate energy. Okay, this is the one law by de Broglie. So if electrons are revolving around the nucleus, for example, this is nucleus, then it is moving, and if it is moving, it will radiate energy. It will radiate energy, then the circular path will become less, like this. to cover up the distance. Then again it's moving. After some times it will become like this, and it will go and bombard it in the nucleus. Means the positive and negative, because proton will attract, proton is positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, they will attract to each other. And after sometimes, if there is a table in front of you, after sometimes it will become a bomb in front of you, like bomb, 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 bomb. Okay, so it's not like that. So this, that is why the Rutherford theory got rejected. But we got many conclusion from that. That nucleus is the center of the atom. It has most of the mass in it, and proton part is present in the nucleus.
Yes.
Got it?
Got it, sir.
Now, now Niels Bohr came to correct this theory. Like most of the theory is done by the Rutherford only, but Niels
Yeah.
Bohr came to correct this theory. Now, what is the problem in the Niels Rutherford theory? That electrons are revolving around it, and if electrons are revolving, it will radiate energy and it will fall into the nucleus, into the protons, and makes the atom unstable. This is the problem in the Rutherford. That is
Yes.
corrected by the Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr says, yes, electrons revolve around the nucleus, but they have their own fixed orbit in it. Like Earth has its orbit, Mars has its orbit, Jupiter has its orbit. In the same way, every electrons means combination of electrons will have their orbits, and electrons revolve around this orbit, and orbits does not allow to radiate the energy because it has fixed energy. Each
Yes.
orbit has fixed energy. So he corrected the Rutherford theory by the experiment also, and by saying that he called it as stationary orbits. These orbits will not have, will protect electrons to radiate any energy or to fall into the nucleus. Like a fixed
Yeah.
path is there. Okay, and he named it also like K, L, M, N shells, which is the orbits.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it?
Got
No.
it. Got it.
Now, second postulate he gave, he says that if electrons is there in the first orbit, which is K shell, okay, so after getting the energy from outside, it can get excited and goes to the next orbital level. Means electron can move across the orbits, like one energy
Yeah.
level to another energy level to the another energy level, like that. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so but if for example you are at your house, now you went to the Nidhi house. So yes, Nidhi house is good. You will find like fun and everything. But after some time, you will say, "Mama, I love you. I want to come back to home," like that. So you will come back, na? Because your house is your house. Hmm?
Yeah.
So it is same. Okay, electron get excited, it goes to another house, but there not able to stable himself because he has the energy of the lower energy level. No, so he will come back to
Yeah.
the it home house. So when it will come back, it will radiate some energy. So it is like that.
But then why would the electron first and first run here and there?
Sorry,
But then why will the electron first run here and there?
because he got excited. Yes, I am going to Nidhi house. I mean, I am going to another house, like that. So he got energy from outside. He took this. He went to the energy level. He went up. Then he got unstable. Come back to the own house, enjoying his life.
So when the electron does move like this, do we ever like what are the results we can see?
I show you the experiment, no, in the YouTube, the rainbow experiment in which color is emitting. So there we can see the when we are firing it up, the electrons in the salt getting energy, going to the energy level high. Okay. Now unstable, come back and it will radiating the energy in the form of red, green, yellow, purple, like that. Yes, next doubt, please.
So I have a doubt on the second law of motion, Newton's second law.
Newton's second law of motion. Yes.
Before you change the like
Say loudly, say loudly.
before you change the chapter, can you explain delta theory and
Say
how delta theory, like why it fails?
Dalton's theory. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just give me a second. First, let me do the Agatha's one. Okay, Newton's second law of motion says that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied on it. Now, what is the meaning of that? Change of momentum means, for example, if Agatha was jumping on the bed and she fall on the bed. Okay, first condition. Second condition is Agatha was jumping on the floor and she fall on the floor. Okay. In which of these two cases Agatha will have a more injury? On the bed?
Like
Maybe on the
loss.
bed because mama will come and then mama will take stick and give her. But it's not like that.
Floor.
According to the
The
physics,
floor.
it will be on the floor. Okay, we will not consider mama in between of that. Okay, in front of mama, physics is also failed. Okay, so what I'm trying to say that yes, on the floor. Why it is like that? Say for example, this is floor. Okay, and she's jumping on the floor. For example, this is floor and she's jumping on the floor. Now, for what happened that when she is coming back and when she fall, when she's coming to the ground, there was a speed. And if there is a speed, Agatha has mass. So speed, mass, and momentum is there. She has a momentum when she's coming down. But when she fall on the floor, suddenly, just in a fraction of second, like 0.1 second, the momentum of the body becomes zero. Yes, means it becomes zero. Na? When she fall, the speed stops, momentum zero. So the change of momentum is very less time. This very less time means more force is applied on her body. And that is why she got more injury. Now, if I will talk about bed, for example, this is bed. Okay, this is bed. Now she is on the bed. Okay. Now, when she is in same momentum is there when she is coming back to the bed. So she has speed, mass, momentum is there. Now, when she is coming back, the bed is making like this. Is it like this? Yes or no? Okay. So when she's coming back, the bed is making Agatha to stop. But in it taking more time as compared to floor. Yes? Because bed is also moving like this. Like this. So taking more time to stop Agatha. So it means that it is taking more time, less force is there. That is why she's not able, she has good health on bed. After that, I mean, mama will give her a stick. I don't know about that, but till on the bed, according to physics, she is fine. Yeah. So this is second law of motion. Less time, change of momentum, more force. More time, change of momentum, less force.
Then why is it written in text it is directly proportional?
Oh, that's why I'm saying no. See, change in momentum, change in momentum upon rate, which is time, is directly proportional to force. Okay. So if change in momentum is high, in less time, more force is there.
So directly proportional means when one thing
Directly
is going
proportional.
less. What?
Yeah, directly proportional means that if change in momentum is high, force is high. And the time here, it is indirectly proportional, not directly proportional. So basically, we are taking this whole thing according to the force. But if I'll talk about time with respect to change in momentum, then I will say if time is less, force is more. Less time, more force. Okay. Yeah. Next doubt, please. Yeah.
So the change in momentum and the force will increase or decrease simultaneously, right?
Yeah. According to the change in time. Less change in time, more force is applied. Okay. Now, next is Dalton's theory. Uh, okay. So basically, it's not mentioned here about the Dalton's theory, but I'll give you the rough ideas about the Dalton theory. Dalton theory is basically there are some postulates are given by Dalton, okay, on his experiment and his observation. He find it out that atom is the smallest unit of a matter. This is a matter because it occupies space and have some mass. The smallest unit, if I will cut it into the pieces, the smallest piece which cannot be pieces further, that is called as atom. He told. So when there is a discovery of protons and electrons and neutron was going on, and they find it out, so that postulate got rejected. Why? Because Dalton says atom is the smallest unit. But now electrons and protons and neutrons are inside the atom. Means that are the smallest unit. The subatomic parts are the smallest unit. Okay. So that is why this theory got rejected. Okay, in the same way, there are some more postulates of Daltons are there. For example, and mass cannot be created nor be destroyed during the reaction, but it will transform from one place to another place. Okay, so these are some postulate which is given by the Daltons, but what we have to understand the theory which I gave. I mean, the atom one, the smallest unit of matter is atom. That is what we have to understand. Yes, next doubt, please.
Sir, you know the equation of Newton's second law of motion.
Mm.
The derivation. Can you just explain that?
Yeah, okay. So we got from the statement we got that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force. Yes. Now, what is a change of momentum? Means final momentum minus initial momentum. If you remember that, what is the final momentum? Final momentum means m into v. So m v minus what is initial momentum? M u upon t, which is time. Got it? Is equals to k. Sorry. Sorry. Is directly proportional to the force. Now, from the left side, I will take out m as a common. So v minus u upon t is directly proportional to force. Okay. Now, v minus u upon t is basically the acceleration. Okay, is equals to force. So we got this equation F is equals to kma, where k is a constant value. Why it came? It came when I remove this directly proportional sign. K will come, okay, and k is a constant value, and the value of k is 1. So that is why we don't write k in the formula. So force formula is m into a. This is the meaning of that. And this is the leak also, we can say that tomorrow I will ask the derivation of this second law of motion. So whatever there in the book, you have to write it down same. This got glitch. Got glitch. Yeah, next doubt please.
Like the alpha ray scattering experiments.
Sorry.
The alpha ray scattering experiment.
Alpha ray.
Scattering experiment.
Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, so this you have to understand. This is coming in your exam tomorrow, so please read this. You have to learn it till here with proper statement and all this thing. Okay. Yeah. Now next is alpha ray. Come on, yaar. So alpha ray is nothing else, just what we did in the Rutherford, na? That is alpha ray. This alpha ray scattering is nothing else, but what we did, no, gold foil experiment, Rutherford model. That is alpha ray
Yeah.
experiment, which I explained it to you.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Okay. Next doubt, please.
So I have a question.
Please say loudly.
So tomorrow's test is going to be 2 papers or only 1 paper?
Sorry.
Tomorrow's test is going to be 2 papers or 1 paper?
No, there will be one paper. It's a mixed of 2 chapters. Chapter number 5 and chapter number 10.
What is the topic? Like, what,
Okay, so
Okay.
how much is the mark in total mark? Like,
Total marks, it depends upon my mood. If I have good mood, I will give a marks of 100 marks. If I am bad mood, then it will be 200 marks.
the oh gosh, I asked like the whole chapters. The like whole test paper. What is it out of? That's what I asked.
Yeah, the test paper only I'm saying.
God,
Okay, Ibrahim. Ibrahim was
God,
saying something. Let Ibrahim
God
speak.
needs
Yes,
to
Ibrahim.
help us all.
Yeah. Yes, Ibrahim. You were saying something.
So that was my question.
Yeah. So the paper tomorrow only you will get that how much paper is there. Anybody else? Doubt? Please ask me.
Can I again explain the conservation of momentum? Conservation.
Conservation of momentum. Yes. So this is also like one of the question will come in the conservation of momentum also. And application is very important. Like where you used application of second law of motion, application of third law of motion, application of first law of motion. If you're writing, write it down. Please go through it because these types of question will definitely will come. Okay. So the momentum, the conservation of momentum saying that the momentum before collision is equals to the momentum after collision. Simple as that. Before collision momentum, like two objects are there, two objects like ma, ua, by u initial velocity of an object a. So ma ua plus mb ub initial momentum of the two objects is equals to final momentum of the two objects. What is the final momentum? MAVA is equals to MAVA plus MBVB. Simple as that. This is the formula. Means the momentum is conserved before, like collision does not change the momentum. The momentum will shift from before it was there, now it changes to the next one. Like for example, two balls are coming. Now these two balls, this ball speed is fast and this ball speed is slow. Now when they will collide, this ball speed will increase obviously and this will become slow. Okay. So that is the meaning of that. The conservation of momentum says that the momentum will remain conserved. It won't change after the collision. Simple as that. Yes, next part, please.
Sorry, I mean, can you do the example 10.4, the question of that rifle?
Example 10.4. Okay. So what is given? First of all, you have to write everything. We have here the mass. Okay. Mass of a rifle. So I'll take it as mass. Okay, just let me second. So mass is given, which is 5 kg. I'll write MA. MA, which is 5 kg. Okay. Then bullet speed. Now it's the speed of bullet. So speed of bullet. Okay. The speed of bullet is VB, okay, which is 250 meter per second. Now it's given that it's a recoil velocity. Recoil velocity means when you fire a gun, the gun will come back. It will give a backward jerk. That is called as recoil velocity. So it is VA, which is minus 1 meter per second. Why I took minus here? The minus shows that the bullet is traveling in forward direction. It's going like that. But the gun is giving a backward jerk of 1 meter per second. Okay. And we have to find MB, means mass of a bullet. Okay. Now, obviously, we know that when the bullet is not fired, means initial, it was a 0. So it means that if I will write MA UA plus MB UB is equals to MA VA plus MB VB. Okay. Now this term will become 0. Why? Because initial velocity is 0. So mass into 0, 0. Mass into 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So this whole term will become 0. Is equals to, what is MA? 5 into VA minus 1 plus what is MB? I don't know. Into VB 250. So it will become 0 minus 5 plus MB upon 250. This will go that side. So it will become 5 is equals to 250 MB. It will go and it will divide. So it will become 5 upon 250 is equals to MB. If I will cut it, I will get answer 1 upon 50. So 1 upon 50, which is equals to 0.02 kg, is equals to MB. So I got the mass of the bullet. Got it?
Sir, you make it seem so easy.
Say loudly.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you make it seem so easy with the questions, but when we do it, it's like the ulta of the thing.
Yeah, that is why I used to write these things before. I always write the given part. If you're writing given part and if you're solving step by step, there won't be any problem. But if you are jumping directly on the equation and solving it, all obviously you will get wrong answer. Okay, next doubt, please. No doubt. So tomorrow is the test. I believe today is the last class. Is it?
Tomorrow will there be class? Tomorrow's a Friday.
Tomorrow is the Friday. So we'll do one thing. Tomorrow we'll take the class of only maths. Okay? Because I have to do some questions. 2 or 3 questions are left in the quadratic equation and then it will be completed. So tomorrow there won't be science class, but yes, there will be the maths class. Agatha, please mention this. Okay? Tomorrow
Yeah.
there will be maths class at 10:10 and not more than 10:40 I'll take because 2 to 3 types of questions are left. Then the quadratic equation chapter will complete it.
So we have like till July 6th to complete the presentation, right?
Presentation till July 6th, but our class will start either from 29 June or 1st July. I'll tell you the date in the group. Okay. So Nidhi and Joshua will say bye. We'll meet after 1 month. Okay. So
Tomorrow, what time is the test?
tomorrow 10:40 I will send you the test paper or before that also. No problem in that.
Just
Okay.
excited, Agatha.
Okay. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Tomorrow is the class for the maths only. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Shabakher. Sayonara. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
David. Bye,
everyone.
Nidhi. Bye,
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 Nidhi.
Katya.